Hey there! Today we're going to be making banana donuts and mini bread loaves. These are perfect if you've got some over-ripened bananas sitting on your counter. As always, all the ingredients will be down in the description box. Now let's get started on this recipe. We're going to start by getting a clean bowl. Add in your flour to this, your baking soda and your baking powder. Then your spices. And then give it a good whisk. Combine those dry ingredients. And then put that aside. Then we're gonna do our banana mixture. So get that cup of banana, add in your sugar, your 2 eggs, your oil, your vanilla, and also add in your milk. I forgot to add it in here. I do add it in later, but add in yours now. Combine that all. And then we're gonna get our flour mixture back. And then slowly start pouring in your banana mixture into this. And I'm going to be using a spatula to combine this all well. Make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl. Here's what I added the milk. If you forget an ingredient, just add it in. And then combine this all well together. So just give it a good mix, combine all those ingredients well. And then we're gonna get our pans prepped. You can also set your oven at 350 degrees right now. I'm using some butter to line the pan so that it doesn't stick. You can use non-stick spray as well. Once your pan's buttered, place that aside and we're gonna start piping out our banana batter. I like to use a bag to get better control. You can always just scoop your batter in. So here I'm just piping out some dough into each cavity. In this last one I show you how I just scoop some in and add it into the little craters. These will bake for about 12 minutes. You can always check with a toothpick or skewer. And we're gonna take these to bake. And you can also do mini loaf with this batter. So here I'm just buttering up my pans. Again, you can use any spray or anything you like. This just helps that they don't stick. Here I'm just scooping out my batter. You can also add chocolate chips to your banana bread. I added a couple to this one here. And this will bake for about 18 to 20 minutes. So once your donuts have completely cooled, remove them from the tray. And then we're gonna get our cinnamon sugar mixture and just coat these donuts. You can always create a glaze for these as well if you like. I like these best just simple, just a little bit of sugar on it. And here are the cinnamon sugar donuts. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a suggestion for something else, put it in the comments down below. If you want to see pictures of everything I've been creating, I do post on Instagram and I do stream over on Twitch. All my social media links are down below in the description box. Until next time, stay safe and stay sweet.